was 60 minutes long. We've only been in line for about a few minutes. But we're gonna go over here and ride Slinky Dog. Ain't that right, Haley?
What?
We're gonna ride Slinky. I've never seen this in any video, but you see it says that the Dash and Dodge Mega Coaster kit was manufactured in Emeryville, California. Emeryville is where Pixar is located. Here we go. Slinky Dog.
Here we go! Might be a little bit smarter than I am, bigger and stronger too, maybe, but none of them will ever love you the way I do, just me and you, baby. And as the years go by,
That was Slinky Dog, so we're moving on. This is the end of it. Then catch you on the next adventure.